Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? So we are going to start the new series for Christmas. I am a little bit late, but we're going to be catching up. We're going to be doing a lot of videos today, so make sure you guys stay tuned for lots and lots of videos. Okay, so today we're going to do the number one for the series, and I'm going to show you guys how I created, well, not really create, but decorated these really fun, adorable little mittens that I got at the Dollar Tree. I showed you guys a haul video a few days ago, and I showed you that I found these really fun mittens. They're so cute. I got them at the Dollar Tree. I bought a whole bunch of pinks and a whole bunch of reds. The pink ones I'm going to make for myself, and the red ones I'm going to take them to my job so we can use them as decorations. So I'm going to show you how I created these little mittens, how cute they are. Aren't they adorable? We're going to use these as garland, and they're just going to come out, they came out so pretty, but it's literally like, it took me no time to create these, okay? It kind of took me a while to figure out how I wanted to decorate the mittens. At first I was going crazy and I was really over embellishing them. Then I didn't like how they turned out. Then I changed myself to thinking, okay, maybe we should do a little bit more simple, and I wind up just doing this very simple design on them. Again, if you want to go crazy with your mittens, go right ahead. Another great option is you can also use these mittens and add like little goodies inside as a little holder. That will be so freaking cute to do. I actually might do that also for you guys. Okay, enough rambling around. My ultimate goal is to make these Christmas series videos as short as possible so that it could just keep flowing. Okay, so get your mittens together, okay? Grab any little decorations that you want to add to your mittens. Now, I have something very simple that I added to my mittens. I didn't go crazy. I have these yarn that I bought at the thrift shop. I made myself some really fun bows out of this yarn. And here I have two bows that I already created for these two mittens. That's all I did. So find a yarn, find some ribbon, find some thread, and just make yourself some really fun bows, okay? Basically, that's it. The next thing that I did was I went into my little Christmas stash from last year, and I pulled out all these really gorgeous Christmas little stamped flowers. You guys know how much I love these flowers. I use these flowers a lot on my last Christmas series, and probably going to be doing the same thing this year as well. I cut a few of these little berries and also the greenery that's attached to the berries so we can hot glue it to the mittens. So here I have a few that I already cut out, okay? And you don't really need a lot. You just really need very little, to be honest with you. You actually just need two little pieces of the berries. You need the ribbon that I showed you. And the other thing that I did was I used some bells. So on my mittens, in the little corner, I used bells, as you can see them. And they look super cute. So I'm going to use a, I'm going to use a green bell, and I'm going to use a red bell. I kind of like alternated between the two, and yeah, and that's it. So all my mittens are going to be decorated on the same area, as you can see here, which is going to be on this side. So keep that in mind. If you want to decorate them in different areas, you can do that. I'm just trying to keep mine cohesive because I'm going to kind of hang them like this. So I want them all to kind of look, you know, cohesive. So make sure you're facing your mittens how you want your decorations to look, okay? So this is what we're going to do. The very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add our berries. Now let me bring you closer to me because I want you to see this in a good view. Okay, we're going to add our berries to our mittens, and my hot glue is already going for me right here in the little corner. Just get your berries, get your scissors, cut them out, and just, you know, place them where you want them to look. Get an idea. And that's basically it. So you're going to put a berry, one on the top and one on the bottom, as you see here. Okay, let's do this one. Let's see here. Oops, this berry kind of fell apart. That's okay. You're going to put one on that end, and I think I have another one here. Yes. And you're going to put another one on that end, okay? And you can basically play around with these berries. If you want more, go right ahead. If you want less, go right ahead, okay? So now, this is basically how my mittens are going to kind of look. We're going to add the bow in the center of the berries, and we're going to add the bell, and that's basically it, guys. So let's hot glue the little berries together. I have my hot glue here, all ready to go. Oh, wait. I need more glue. I need more glue. Okay. There we go. Okay, so hot glue your berries. Make sure you're not too messy, because remember that the hot glue can get a little bit messy. Okay, and I'm going to hot glue this one right there. I just gave a tiny little space for the bows to go right in the center of these two little berries, okay? That's basically what I did. You can always go back and you can always re-glue if you need to. This is just giving you an idea. Okay, so let's hot glue these two berries together. This one is kind of falling apart, but that's okay. We're gonna add these just like that. And then we're gonna add these two berries. And this is such a simple project to do. It's only going to cost you $1, okay? So with $2, you can make so many of these adorable little mittens and create yourself a cute little garland or a nice little decoration. You can also add these like on a wall, you know, make them like a wall, like an artwork. I mean, you can do a lot with these little mittens. They're super fun and they're cute. Okay, so I'm going to just add a little bit more hot glue to some of these berries because I don't want these berries to fall apart on me. Okay. Put this over here. Just a little tab. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to add in the center of the berries, between the berries, we're going to add our bows of yarn or ribbon or whatever it is that you made. I made this nice little yarn of delicious bow, and it has two different kinds of colors. It has the green and then it has the red. And I'm going to add this right in the center of the two berries, just like so. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one right there. Bam. Perfect. Now you're going to make sure that everything is glued down correctly. Re-glue anything that needs to be re-glued again. Okay, if you see that it's loose, just go back and re-glue it. Make sure everything is nice and secure. Okay, and the last step for this is to add the little bells. That's basically it. Okay, literally that's all we're gonna do. This is going to be such a simple project and so quick, which is the purpose of this series, is to give you quick, simple, easy projects, right? Okay, so I'm hot gluing the red bell and I'm going to hot glue the green bell, and we're done. And I'm going to give you another video after this one, which is going to be a DIY decorative clothespins, which is going to be actually part of this whole thing that we're doing here, because we can't not make decorative clothespins, right? We have to make clothespins in order to hang these adorable mittens to them. So that's what we're going to do next. But for now, this is what you're going to get. I love these. These are so cute. Look how cute these little mittens are. Oh my gosh, they are so adorable. they turned out so cute, and I just love how simple and easy it was to create. It did not literally take too much time. You saw how easy this was. This video is less than 10 minutes. Yes, I love it. I love it. Okay, very good, my loves. I hope you enjoyed watching me decorate these adorable mittens. I'm going to come back in a few more minutes, and we're going to do the decorative clothespins that's going to be attached to these adorable mittens. Okay, so I will see you in a few minutes. If you don't return back, have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you soon, honey bunnies. Bye.